First thing I do is I check XAMPP and make sure MySql has started. It has not. So I click on Start. And now MySql is running. So now I can access my database and MySql. So I get my DOS window up and I key in my batch file M, which keys in all my data for me. MySql user root. No password, H, that's the host, 127.0.0.1. Enter the password, none. Hit enter. And there I am. There's MySql. First thing I want to do is display databases. Show databases. Semicolon. There they are. There's my database, GB1. So I have to use GB1. Use GB1. Semicolon. Enter. Next thing I have to do is show tables. I only have one table, and that is GBT. That's my guy. I want to see what's in GBT. So I select star from GBT. Semicolon. Bill, Sam, George. Oh, there it is. Tom Tomato. And let's delete Tom Tomato. Delete from. Let's move this up a bit so you can see it a bit better. There we go. Delete from GBT, where I can hit enter and continue typing my command in on the next line. So until I hit the semicolon. So delete from GBT where ID equals 8, semicolon. And that will get rid of Tom Tomato. Now let's select star from GBT, and Tom Tomato is gone. Record number 8 is now history. Now let's do a massive delete. I've got some records in here that need vanishing. We got to get rid of Spade and Papas. Let's do that all in one command. Alright, here we go. I'm going to delete from GBT, where, enter, first name in open parens. I'll explain this in a minute. Whoops, Papas. That's the guy's name. Comma. And Spade. Let's get rid of Spade also. Now what this is saying is delete from GBT where you have the name Papas or Spade in the first name field. Sort of moving right to left. Not sort of, it is moving logically right to left. Delete from GBT where Spade and Papas is in. These two names are in the first name field. Ooh, that's a mistake right there. It's not the first name field, it's the last name field. That would have been fun. I'd have found out the hard way. But I caught that just in time. And now I hit enter. Okay, 2 rows have been affected. So Papas and Spade, records number 2 and 7, should be gone. Let's find out if that's true. Select star from GBT. And records number 2 and 7 should be gone. They're gone. 2 and 7. Papas and Spade. Papas and Spade are now gone. Wow. Huh. Oh, wow. I'm looking at my table and I realize I've made a terrible error. I forgot the middle name field. ID, first name, last name, and middle name. Oh, I should have done that. How am I going to correct this problem? Well, let me try and alter my table. What table? GBT. How will I alter my table? I will add in a column. What's the name of the column? Middle name. And what does it consist of? Varchar and 5 characters. No longer. Let's make it 8 characters, just in case. Semicolon, cross our fingers, and whoa! Has this worked? Oh my goodness, let's find out. Select star from GBT, and let's see if we have a fourth column now. Ooh la la, we have a 4th column. Look at this. M, N, M. That is just incredible. Oh, but now I just got orders from the boss that column was not necessary. Oh, now I have to delete him. How am I going to do this? Well, let's key in what we want to do. I want to alter my table. What table? GBT. Enter. How? I want to drop a column. What name? What column name? MNM, middle name. Semicolon. Hit enter. And now, let's see if this worked. It's now gone. Wow. That is just amazing. How did we do that again? We altered a table called GBT, added a column in, gave the column name and its definition, and it added the column in, filled it with null values. Then we altered the table GBT, dropping the column using the drop column command, and then we gave the name of the column that was to be dropped. Wow. That was just amazing. And that's about all I have to say for now. This is George Boole. Bye-bye.